That's not my cup of tea. You know that this could be your last day here on earth, so buddy, please, won't you smile just for me? My dear, no, you don't have to cry. That ain't a pretty legacy to leave behind. Stop and smell the roses while you've got the time. Pretty soon you'll be pushing off daisies where the sun don't shine. Pretty soon I'll be pushing off daisies where the sun don't shine.